Hello everyone, Joseph Kopser here from the class of 93. I'm going to walk you through a short tutorial on how we're going to navigate the new platform for our next summit known as Hopin. So here we go. So let's just start here. This is the page you'll get to after you log in. It's like any other place that you'd find when you first walk into a conference. There's a reception room, the way to the stage, the sessions, the networking, and the expo. And we'll get into all that. So this just gives you an overview of where everything is. You can go straight to the expo, or you can go to the speaker if it's in session on the main stage. You can see all of our sponsors, and it's always good to be able to click on the sponsors and see more about who they are and why they did. So thanks there, Jim Young. Appreciate it. What we have here at the very bottom also lists the rooms that are active at that particular time or might be available for you to go into. So what we're going to do is first start with the reception area, which is, again, showing the program, the sponsors, and the schedule. The next thing to do is go into the stage. Now, nothing's happening here right now because this is just me walking through the demo. But what you could also do is go into sessions. And on any given day, you might see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many we have. This time, we have what type of capital is appropriate for my company. Let's check it out. When I go into this room, there's a couple different things I'll be able to see immediately. Number one is sharing the audio and video. So when I do that and I click that button, my browser will ask if I can share it. I say yes. Then I have to pick the camera and the microphone, and there I am. And so that's all it takes for you to be involved. Now, ironically, though, most of you all will not actually be able to see yourself in a session. You'll be watching a panel or whatever it happens to be, but that's how it happens. So let's go ahead and leave that. Let's go now into the networking session. So are we ready for the networking session? Yes. We click on this button, and right now there's no people available because it's just me walking you through this, but on the day of the event, you'll be introduced to people who will just pop into your screen for about 3 minutes, and up here you'll actually see the timer of how much time you have. And then lastly, we also have the expo floor itself, which in this case, Squadra, Guy Filippelli, happens to have a booth. You can go into it, and then you can just either look over here on the side about the company, go to their Twitter or their website, or play the video that they happen to have. And there it is.
What I would say is I'd say take a shot.
Well, you can't hear this video, but I can tell you. Well, now you can.
It's certainly not. I think you should always.
Well done, Guy. Moving on. So there's a couple other features to be able to point out. Like, so say, for instance, you were in the main stage. You have the ability to do chat up here. You have the ability to actually take some polls if we put them up for you. And you can also see the people that are at the event. The way chat works is just like anything else. You can come down in here and just say a quick hello or Beat Navy, whatever you prefer. Is that Beat Navy? No, that's not Navy. That's Navy. So the point is you're able to do chat like you do anything else. You can either do it for the event itself or just the stage. And if I'm in a session like this one, I can do chat for just this session or chat at the event. The last thing I'll point out to you here in the reception room is keep an eye on your notifications and keep an eye on your messages because people at the conference might be messaging you directly. Notifications will just come from the staff. Hope you enjoyed this demo video and hope you enjoy the AOG Entrepreneurial Virtual Speaker Series. I'm Joseph Kopser, class of 93, Beat Navy. And one last thing. On September 1st, the president of the University of Texas appointed me as a special advisor for military leadership and strategy. So let me know if there's anybody active, duty, guard, reserve, family member, veteran that wants to do something big at the University of Texas. I'd love to see how we can make it happen. Take care. Beat Navy.